In this video, we will see how to add Gmail to Outlook. Connect your Gmail account on the desktop and mobile. For this, guys, first of all, you simply go to your Gmail account. After login, guys, here you see the option of gear icon. So just click here. After clicking, here you click on the all the settings. Wait for loading and open. When it is open, guys, go to the option of account and import. Now you move downward and here you see the option of check mail for from other account. So you just go here, add a mail account. After that, guys, here you entered your Outlook mail. So here I am enter my Outlook email and click on the option of next. So it asks for link with Gemlify and import from my other account view. Okay, so this is the way that you can done. You click on the next and it automatically transfer of your mail and show here. Okay, so this is the simple way that you can done. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.